It can be frustrating when your garage door suddenly stops working, and you want to make sure it's fixed correctly so the same thing doesn't happen again. We understand. Since 1989, family-owned Valley Overhead Door has been the area's most trusted name in high-quality garage door products and services. We install, repair, and maintain all makes and models. Our skilled technicians are highly trained, professional, and knowledgeable in the field. We're bonded, certified, and fully insured. And we're an authorized dealer for the industry names you know and trust. Our products feature lifetime manufacturer's warranties, and we offer military, veteran, and senior discounts. With Valley Overhead Doors' inventory of state-of-the-art doors, openers, parts, and accessories, we're able to respond quickly and even offer emergency service. Trust your first and only local residential and commercial garage door specialist, Valley Overhead Door in Las Vegas. Call us today for a free estimate.